Sup everyone, Zen the Geek here, and today we have the OnePlus Nord 3 5G in-house. First things first, this is the phone itself. This is the OnePlus Nord 3 5G in all its beautiful glory. Very nice, just like every other Nord that we've reviewed. Very nice back design. You see one really big sensor here with a couple of other supplementary sensors, so this makes it a triple camera setup. And on the side here you'll see that the very important OnePlus C slider is here for your mutes and notifications with the power button there, and the volume buttons here on the left side, and at the bottom here is your SIM card slot and a USB Type-C port. So enough about that for a bit, and let's see what else is in the box. And as you can see here, this is a very big chungus of an 80-watt Super Vogue charger using a USB Type-A. And as per usual with all OnePlus phones, here is a red cable which is going from a USB Type-A to a USB Type-C. And inside here is very nice OnePlus Nord card, your quick start and safety guides, and your SIM card ejector pin. Don't lose this. The OnePlus Nord will be coming to Malaysia very soon, so stay tuned to my channel. Don't forget to like and subscribe. I'm Zen the Geek. I'll see you guys in the next video.